$6 during peak times on weekdays. That's rude. They say we need more money for earthquake retrofitting, so we're gonna keep jacking up the tolls, you assholes. I came down here when I first came down here, all over the bridges. Cash lanes, we're fine.
They are okay?
Yeah, this over here.
Should I throw the money out and keep going?
Yeah. Yeah, this lane. Big there. Darn, they're all working today.
Shucks, maybe they'll break before we get there.
Yeah. Watch out for this idiot. Morgan too. But we gotta show off the Beamer though. Love that plate. I love those salmon plates. Has one of their nicest license plates.
They don't get out of my way, they're gonna smell like one.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe not.
Yeah.
Hey, I thought you guys aren't supposed to tax an Indian.
Oh, yeah? Like that?
I'm gonna come back for you guys. Alright.
Yep. Eventually, all these guys are going to be out of a job because they're going to automated toll collecting eventually.
Damn, look, she likes wearing copper on her ears.
Yes. Yeah. Big fat copper on it. Okay, let's stay in the lane we're at for now. Take a look at this road work so we know what we're doing. Because they're working on this bridge, so that's kind of... Watch out!
What kind of car is that? Whoa, sorry. What kind of car is that behind us?
I don't even give a shit what it is. I don't give a shit right now. It's a car. They all look alike to me, so... This is the new eastern span they're working on. The cables, they got some of the cables already run on. We're going to be going over the old one still, but they're supposed to maybe have this one open in about another year or so. Yeah, 35 mile per hour curve. We got an S curve. A lot of people have gotten accidents on it, so we got to be really careful.
Is that one where that one car come out like that on the other side?
I don't know. I really don't know. It's the first time I've gone over this since they've gotten a lot done on the bridge. You'll see off to the right is the bridge construction.
What are those right there?
Those are loading cranes there, all the ships and stuff. It's one of the busiest ports on the west coast. Yeah, this side is the port. Well, that side back there is the Port of Oakland, and then this side, Port of San Francisco. Very nice. There's no fog, there's no wind. Over the old span right now. Once we get that, we can demolish this span right here. This is about the third or fourth year they're working on this now. Okay, let's see, we're 5.1 miles, take exit 1B for US 101 North, okay. So we're gonna have to really watch once we get up there where we need to go.
Oh shucks, we are in San Francisco at the Bay Bridge.
We are. Yeah,
We are
we're
there.
still on the eastern span, then we're going to go over the western span. We're going to cross Treasure Island, and then we're going to go on the western span. Yeah, that S curve's coming up. Yeah. That's the new bridge right there that's under construction. That's pretty cool how they're doing that. So what they're doing on this side, then they're having some of the new cables already run. They're run. This in a sense will be like a little mini Golden Gate. Big steel cables and a lot of miles of many miles of wire for those cables.
That's all ocean right there?
Well, sort of. That's the bay right there. That's actually the bay on this side. It's not the actual ocean. It goes out to the ocean.
Oh, that's a...
Yeah.
I thought that was...
It's kind of like an extension of the ocean is what it really is.
Capital for clean.
Yeah.
Or carpool for clean.
Yeah. And we're going to go start going over the western span.
That's where I was talking about. A lot of car accidents happen right there too, huh?
Yeah.
There you go. Woohoo!
Oh, there it is. It's been a while since I've been over here. Okay, I gotta see where we'll get off at.
Olsen Street.
Yeah. I know it's exit 9. So we gotta look for I think they've redone a couple of the exits up here too. Because I know for a fact if you were on that side, you go 101 south and you don't want that, you want north. Because it is going to go through downtown, it's going to go through the city some, and then you get on Geary Street. This, we're going to go through this, and then it's coming up after this. Keep going straight. 1B. I gotta see if it's gonna be on the right or is it gonna be on the left. That's what I'm looking at. Fifth Street,
AT&T
Harrison.
Park.
Okay, well, we don't want to go out. San Jose, Golden Gate Bridge, just keep going straight. Got a little ways to go. Okay, that's 2B, so 1B ought to be coming up here pretty quick. Because they've redone a lot of the signage too. Okay, 101 San Jose, Golden Gate Bridge, there's 1C, 2A, so it should be on this, yeah, be on this side. So you probably want to hop over. No, you want 1B. 1B. Yeah, they refigured some of this. And 1/2 miles, so just keep going straight. It's a lot easier driving this during the day. It's so much easier.
Yeah, and you wanted to waste time. You would have been wasting time already. Keep going?
Yeah. There's going to be one more exit after this one.
I think this is good.
Right out.
Okay, get over one?
Yeah, over. After this guy. Okay, good. Take exit 434B on the left towards Octavia Boulevard. So you're going to want to get on the left. You're going to take 434B and a 1/2 mile. Back up here, so and one of my cousins just had her baby about the middle of the week. She just had a baby daughter.
Oh, nice.
No, baby boy. Just had a new baby boy.
Cool, right on.
Yeah. My cousins on my mom's side of the family.
Stop and go traffic.
Oh, God.
All I can tell you is enjoy yourself. It's a day off.
Yeah.
It's a nice day. And have fun. Because it's not all the time we see each other.
Nope. Thank God for navigation on this. My battery, it's sucking the battery up, but we need the directions.
Where's your charger at for that?
I didn't think to bring it because when we left, it
What
was
kind
like
of charger is
74.
it?
Oh, that one won't work, but this one will ruin it. It has to be an Apple charger only. It's all right. All I care about is getting there. Because once, and then just have enough battery for directions. I think a lot of times I can find my way back out. Just make sure we get there. So like I say, they've redone a lot of the signage and stuff too.
One time damn, good thing brakes. Good thing they have good brakes.
Like I say, you gotta have your head on a swivel every second here.
We we would have got out and said, "There's a mechanic right there."
Yeah.
Auto and body. Motorcycles just do what they want, huh?
I don't like.
Hey, isn't he a movie star?
Yeah, I don't like the California law that allows them to ride between lanes of cars. I do not like that at all. Like state of Oregon, they don't allow that out there, which is good, you know.
Well, I don't like that car sitting on there, not moving at all.
Yeah,
That's a treaty violation.
yeah. Give you a treaty ticket.
Yeah.
God.
Yeah. Supreme law of the land, no car
Yeah.
shall be parked on no buildings
Yeah.
of any kind.
Shall not be parked over landmines or near rattlesnakes or. Do you guys have snakes back there? Rattlers and stuff? Where you? Yeah.
Yep. Look around, we might see a real famous taxi driver.
God. Yeah.
Or a bus driver.
Yeah.
Hey,
Yeah,
that
we
looks
go ahead
like
and go.
that looks like Queen Latifah.
Yeah. Okay, 0.3 miles ahead. Okay, got it. I just wish they would have made it kind of like freeway-like, where you didn't have to drive through the city, like just kind of bypass and just you have to go through the city ways.
I remember one time we got lost in the city.
Yeah, we did, but we found our way.
No,
San Francisco
that was a
is
friend
tricky,
of mine. We
especially at
came
night.
up- a friend of mine, we came up here and we ate in a Chinese restaurant and shit, I thought it was a cat. And here it turned out to be a big old rat.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
A lot of them in the city here.
It tastes good with wasabi and soy sauce.
God, yeah.
All right, god dang it.
Yeah.
There's the police. Get them. Go get them.
A motorcycle officer.
Yeah.
You guys have your own tribal police? Tribal police? Yeah.
Our tribal police is supposed to be right up there with the military.
Oh,
tribal
okay.
and military. And both of them are supposed to supersede state and local.
Oh, okay.
But they don't. So those are all, they did a lot of violating to the Indians.
Yeah. Yeah, they definitely did a nice upgrade on the mapping software on this. actually right on it, basically.
Which one?
Yep, just say it goes straight ahead. We just continue on it. Yeah, keep straight and just stay in the left lane. Now they got detours and stuff, so it's kind of messed up.
Oh, Giants.
Yep. Okay, we're gonna take a left on Fell Street up here, which is coming up in a couple blocks. This is kind of the Haight-Ashbury district, kind of, well, a little further up. Take a left.
Haight-Ashbury, what do you mean?
Real famous during the 60s, 50s and 60s, or 60s, I should say, the 60s. So 0.2 miles, okay, so about 3 blocks down, I'm guessing. Then we'll take a left on Fell. Okay, it's next block up after Oak, and then we take a left.
Right there.
Yep, got it. And then once we get up there, there's 2 lanes. We need to get in the left one. Oh, cute boxy. Little box cars.
We drove one of those before to
Did
South
ya?
Dakota.
Oh yeah?
Nice gas saver.
Oh yeah, nice little Corvette. Okay, and then we'll, yep.
Having a yard sale.
Yeah,
Either that, she's drying her clothes.
probably. Okay, continue on John in about once, I think it's gonna turn to John F. Kennedy Drive, so.
Is it just that skylight on Rockmore?
Oh, yeah.
That sounds familiar. John F. Kennedy Street. They have all these nice homes here, but no parking.
San Francisco is one of the worst rated cities in the nation for drivability and parking. You get more power dropping into third. Drop it.
Okay, go ahead.
There you go. Gives you more climbing power. We're still on Fell. Oh god. Resume. 1.4 miles. Continue on John. So I'm assuming it
There's
turns
Fillmore.
into John F. Kennedy Drive. Just says keep going straight.
Oh,
2
yeah.
miles. tell by the direction of the sun, we're kind of heading towards the ocean. We're heading towards it, so. Another thing, you always have to watch out for people pulling out too, because you got a lot of boneheads. They don't watch what they're doing when they pull out.
And a lot of bikers too.
Wow, surprised to see $3.89 in the city over here. That cheap?
Where?
Arco? That's cheaper than the Arco we just were at.
Oh,
That's a surprise
I don't
here.
see it. I don't
10
see
cents
it.
cheaper.
That is a real surprise. Usually, you're running about 50 cents more a gallon than East Bay over here. San Francisco is one of the most expensive cities for gas. Wow.
Oh, right here at Arco.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
I usually get my gas before I go to the city because I don't like stopping gas stations right in the cities. It's so hard to get back out. Wow, that's a surprise.
That's good.
Then you got to watch out for a million bikers out here. 0.9 miles continue on John F. Kennedy Drive. So it sounds like it just changes over to Kennedy Drive.
Straight away.
Yeah.
Mini cars. Mini cars.
Look at the dog in that convertible.
Big old dog.
Big old crap pile. Gosh. We're on level ground. You can probably put it back and drive. Yeah.
What is this part?
This is Panhandle Park. Yeah.
Oh shoot, look at all drag queens.
Yeah. Nice old homes, huh? Okay, we have left lanes, which we're fine. So left onto Kezar, so we stay in this lane right here.
Okay.
Take left when Kezar comes up. Yeah. It's going around and see, now we're on Kezar. I can tell we're getting pretty close to the coast by the kinds of coastal trees there is. Okay, 70 feet, continue on.
What, those trees, those
Drive.
big ones?
Yeah.
Holy
Just keep-
smokes.
Okay, so 3.2 miles on a great highway, which I think is commonly known as Highway 1.